Guys, are you ready to take your mobile photography game to the next level? Pixel 8 might just be the game changer you have been waiting for. With its advanced camera technology and powerful software, Pixel 8 promises to deliver stunning high-quality photos that reveal even the most expensive DSLR. Before diving in, we should come to know what we are going to get it this time. This time, Pixel 8 will be 5mm shorter and 2.4mm narrow than the Pixel 7. The upcoming Pixel phone will feature 6 inches display compared to the 6.3 inches diagonal on the Pixel 7. This time you will see noticeably slimmer bezel around the screen on the Pixel 8 as well as the same centered punch hole type cutout. Elsewhere, the phone appears to have an aluminium frame again with the volume and power button on the right side, while the USB-C port on the bottom next to the speaker cutout. And this time Pixel 8 will be powered by Google Tensor G3 chipset that is similar to Pixel 8 Pro. Now coming to the main part, camera, this time you will get it 64 megapixel main camera, 48 megapixel telephoto and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Guys, you know Google Pixel phones were among the first to support HDR plus photography, and reports are the company is also planning to go one step further with the Pixel 8 series. This time sensor will capture different exposures simultaneously with the same pixels. Guys, currently Google use ISOCELL Gen 1 sensor in the Pixel 7 series, but in Pixel 8 you will get it ISOCELL Gen 2 sensor, which does have the latest advancement in wide dynamic range photography. This time HDR is better than regular HDR because it achieves the same effect in shorter time without the blurriness that happens if the device moves while taking the picture. I hope Pixel 8 is going to do something better in photography. Are you excited about it? Please write in the comment below and don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.